Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Applied Digital stock. This is Apld. And on Friday we saw a drop in the stock by 6.55%. The past month over here, or the past week I should say, saw a drop of 5.7%. And the past month we are actually up by 67.19%. The question of course now is, where do we go from here? And over the course of the video we're going to be discussing that. I'm going to be giving you all of the levels and points I'm looking forward to into this upcoming week. If you do enjoy the video, please do make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Although do make sure you are doing your own research and coming to your own conclusions, as I am not a financial advisor. Now, jumping straight in over here, a few things are standing out. For this, we need to zoom in and look at the latest trend. Now you can see going back to the 2nd, maybe the 8th, we see this channel forming where we were actually consolidating quite nicely with that initial move upwards. Since then, we have broken to new highs and we are beginning to find this new channel. Now for this I really want to zoom in because I need to highlight why this matters. The bottom that we want to see here is around 32.18. You're looking at stronger supports right around 33.70. And of course we have broken below those higher levels in Friday's trading. We are going to want to ultimately hold onto this channel, again down in the 32s, into next week. As this is, or was, beginning to build a very nice base, a very nice point of consolidation, which we could potentially carry going into next week. We want to see this continue to hold up. That is going to be the ideal situation here for continued growth ahead. Now if we are able to see continued moves to the upside, a few numbers to watch out for. 35.25, potential resistance level around here. Levels above that stand out such as 35.80 and potentially up at $36 as you may expect. If you can push 36.45 does become the next level. I think if you can push that, you're looking at numbers right around 37.15, you're looking at 37.50, 37.55, 37.75. My point here, guys, is very, very simple. We are coming to a point now where the RSI, back in the 13th, the 14th, it was quite high. Given the drop that we saw on Friday, it's cooled right off, and we're actually touching on neutral. This would be a good point to see this one begin to slowly move up and continue to build that consolidating base. If we do not see this, the question is how far do we drop if we drop out of this channel? Do we go back to the $28 range, the $29 range? Of course we'd like to hope not, but given this major push up that we've seen, we just don't have any precedent to really say where we do hit. And for that reason, my main objective here is to hold this bottom. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts and opinions on this in the comments. Thank you so much for your time, guys. I do hope I'll see you again soon. Goodbye for now.